What's up, guys? I have a song that I think you're gonna love. It is the Imperial March from Star Wars, the infamous Darth Vader song. Let's get started. I'm gonna play it from the top, and then I'm gonna dive into how to play it. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, that was the Imperial March at normal tempo. Now I'm gonna break down how to play it. Okay, so first, we're gonna go to the A string. We're gonna play that open. Go ahead and find that for me. Okay, now we're gonna hit that 4 times, but pay attention to the rhythm really quick. The rhythm is super important for this song and how the notes are played. So it's gonna be like this. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that on your own really quick. Okay, now after that, we're gonna go to the 1st fret, top string. And then we're gonna go to the 5th string, 3rd fret. Then open. Back to the 1st fret note. Then open there. All right? Again, that's cool. Now, we're going to go to this note. That's the 4th string, 2nd fret. Let's go ahead and find that note for me. We're going to hit that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. After that, I want you to slide your finger over to the 3rd fret, and then you're gonna bar your finger, meaning just lay it flat, like that. Then you're gonna lift it up 1 string. So you're holding down this note on the 5th string, 3rd fret, then the note right below it at the same time. Okay? And that way you're gonna be able to easily do those 2 notes together. So all together it's like that. Again, one more time. Then we're gonna reach up to the 4th fret, top string. And this is important. You're gonna have to use your pinky there. Every time you reach to that note here, be sure to use your pinky just for the reach. So I'm reaching up with my pinky and hitting top string, 4th fret. And that allows me to go down with my 1st finger to the 1st fret bass note on the top string. I'm going. So together, that part is. Right? Then I'm gonna finish it off like that. Great, so that's the first part of the song. Now we're gonna move on to the next part that's a little more challenging, but you guys are gonna get it. To play this part, we're gonna go all the way up to the 12th fret, 5th string, and it's important to use your pinky here just because we're gonna go down the fretboard. And the picking is gonna be a bit faster, so more faster picking. But yeah, let's hit that note here. 5th string, 12th fret. And you can easily find this because some of your guitars, I'm sure, has the 2 dots right here. Your guitar might not have it, and that's okay. But if your guitar does have it, that's an easy indicator of where your 12th fret is. So find your 12th fret, that note. We're gonna go open twice, down again on the 12th fret. Then I'm moving to the 11th fret, and I'm using a different finger there. This is where it gets a little interesting. I'm gonna go from the 12th fret, 11th fret, ring finger, 10th fret, middle finger, 9th fret here, all on the same string. And that together sounds like this. And then I'm going to slide down to the 8th fret and then back up to the 9th fret. I'm going to play that one more time because it's a little difficult. Got it? Now, 6th fret, I'm going to bar the top 2 notes here on the 6th fret, just like that. So I'm just holding them both down at the same time. We're going to move on to the 10th fret, top string, and I'm moving to it with my pinky here. 10th fret, 9th fret, 8th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret. I'm going to play that part again from the 6th fret. Pinky, land on the 8th fret. Okay, now we're moving down to the 1st fret, top note, pinky, 1st fret. Then we're going to go open on the 5th string, then down on the 3rd fret there, same string. So I'm going, then off again, down, 7. And I have a slide mark on there, a slide marker, which means you're just hitting the 3rd fret note and you're sliding up to the 7th fret there. So that last part is like this. Just like that. Okay, we're going to finish off the song. We're going to go back up to the 12th fret. Same thing here. Same thing on the 6th fret. Then to the 10th fret, same thing. Land on the 8th fret. Back to the 1st fret. And it changes a little bit here. We're going to go straight to the 3rd fret, 5th string. Open. Then open again. We're just going to end on that A note there and let it ring out. Okay, there is the Imperial March. Hope you had fun playing it. Be sure to play it for some friends. And I will see you guys next time.